This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook anchovy fish Indian style. First, let's prepare our anchovies. Begin by rinsing about 250 grams of fresh anchovies thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or sand. Next, using kitchen scissors, carefully snip off the head, tail, and side fins. Then, make a small slit along the stomach, gently remove the internal organs, and give them another good wash with a little sea salt until they are sparkling clean and shiny. Now, let's infuse our anchovies with incredible Indian flavors. In a bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1½ teaspoons of red chili powder, and salt to taste. For that perfect crispy texture, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Mix everything well, then gently coat the cleaned anchovies with this aromatic spice blend, adding a sprig of fresh curry leaves. Let them marinate for at least 30 minutes, or even up to an hour for a richer taste. It's time to cook these flavorful anchovies to crispy perfection. Heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil or your preferred vegetable oil in a frying pan over a medium-high flame. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the marinated anchovies into the pan in small batches, making sure not to overcrowd them. Fry each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully crispy. For an even crispier texture, you can extend the frying time to 6 to 8 minutes on a slightly lower flame. Once your anchovies are perfectly fried, remove them from the oil and drain any excess on a paper towel. For an extra burst of freshness and aroma, garnish them with a few crispy fried curry leaves and a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice. Serve these hot, crispy anchovies as a delightful appetizer or as a fantastic side dish alongside steamed rice and your favorite Indian curry. Remember, the tiny bones become wonderfully crispy during frying, so you can enjoy them whole.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.